shall move on to the next start question. Start question number 16. Honorable Shri Kigwema.
Honorable Speaker, sir, thank you for the time given. I'm in receipt of the reply from our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of National Highway regarding the progress of two-lane package 4 from D Khel to Kigwema village. But as per the reply I received, I'm not fully convinced that the work is in progress. On my spot verification, I find that work has come to a standstill. So this is that information that I want to bring to the House. As per information received, the work order for the constructions of two-lane package 4 from D Khel Kohima village to Kigwema village was issued in the year 2000. The stipulated duration for its completion was 18 months. However, even after the passage of several years, the project remained incomplete, raising serious concern among residents of the region. National Highway 2, formerly National Highway 39, served as a vital lifeline for the entire southern Angami region and provide crucial connectivity to the state of Manipur. The recent landslide at Kasama has once again exposed the vulnerability of this key route, causing major disruption to the movement of people and goods, especially affecting students who rely on it daily to reach schools and colleges. This incident has underscored the urgent need for a reliable alternative. Had the bypass road from D Khel Kohima to Kigwema village been completed as scheduled, it could have significantly mitigated the impact of such disruption. Amid these challenges, I acknowledge and appreciate the proactive efforts of the Honorable Chief Minister and the two Deputy Chief Ministers of Nagaland, whose repeated visit to the affected site have offered reassurance to the public. I also commend the NHIDCL and contractors for their continued restoration work under extremely difficult weather conditions. However, in light of the current situation, it is imperative that the concerned department hold NHIDCL fully accountable for the prolonged delay in completing the bypass road. The project must be urgently expedited and completed without further delay in strict adherence to the agreement. Thank you, sir.
Speaker, sir, before I come straight to the reply of supplementary question, I would like to explain the position of the state government, to which all the members should understand. The project in question is undertaken by NHIDCL, directly controlled by MOTH. All the contractors are selected by the MOTH through their portals. So state government has not been delegated any authority. State government has convened several review meetings over the years under my chairmanship and under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary AHOD of the department. 16 October 2024, 5th March 2025, 5th June 2025, 7 July 2025, and 18 July 2025. Accordingly, directions have been issued to the NHIDCL on numerous occasions for quality work and timely completion. However, State has observed that without any financial control or administrative command over NHIDCL officials, several handicaps have been experienced by the state government. This concern state government has been raising with ministry whenever meetings are held in Delhi, but nothing substantive have come out till date. Regarding proposal bypass of Kigwema, that landslide area, the proposal has been submitted to MORTS and the matter is under examination. Yes, Honorable Member has serious concern over this incomplete Kigwema bypass road, because it is absolutely necessary to ease out the traffic congestion in the city area. So he has correctly mentioned that contractor was appointed on 15 October 2020. Scheduled date for completion was 17 April 2022. Again, extension for completion was given to 6 February 2025. And now likely completion date is 31st March 2026. That is the latest position. And why this was delayed for the last 2-3 years? The reason is that land acquisition problem was there for some time. And then legal issue was there. The matter was subsidies for the stretch 1.92 kilometer. That is kilometer 32 to 34. Honorable High Court Kigwema bench permitted to work wide order dated 25/6/2025. The matter was settled by the court and the contractor was permitted to start the work. Last 2.743 kilometer stretch, that is 40 plus 711 to 43 plus 454 under resurvey due to variation in ground level alignment, finalized with DC Kigwema and the Village Council in the month of August 2025. The court case that WP bracket C 50/2022 land compensation disposal on 29 November 2024. State file appeal. Arbitration initiated by EPC contractor in the month of July 2023. Proceeding ongoing. Key issue. In several rounds of our review meeting, we have directed this NHIDCL, and accordingly, NHIDCL has issued notice of intention to terminate, issued on 22nd May 2023 and 18 January 2025. Invocation of arbitration. The EPC contractor has invoked the arbitration in July 2023. Way forward. EPC contractor to commence in subsidized stretch as the court has delivered the judgment. Final alignment proposal for last 2.743 kilometer submitted by RO Kigwema to headquarters NHIDCL on 28th August 2025 for approval. The same is under examination by MORTS. So let's hope that the work will be completed and stipulated. But if the contractor fails to comply, then the contract will be terminated. That notice has been issued. Thank you, sir.